sorrow so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that she cannot do. With sorrow so bright, so streamlined and sprightly, the crew are magnificent too. The rivers are hers, the broads are hers, she never gets stuck in the reef. With sorrow so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that she cannot do. David's our artist and Matt the musician, Ben does the math for the crew. Dave's on the gas block and Matt's in the forepeak and Ben likes to lie on the roof. They have lots of fun, the parrot they won, they all like to prey on the loo. Sorrow so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing that she cannot do. The skipper is strange, he raps without warning.
I am the sanitizer.
The night loves her biscuits, especially Fox Crunches, he thinks there's rather too few. With one on the tiller and one on the main, between them they just about sail. With sorrow so big, so strong and so mighty, but somewhere a conflict doth loom. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh no, it's Files Boy!
Like a jump on the sanitizer.
He continues.